class, we learned about ancient Greece yesterday, so I pulled up a video on YouTube that I would like you to watch.
The geography of Greece. The temperature ranges from the time of year. In the summer, the average is 23 degrees Celsius. In the winter, the average is 14 to 16 degrees Celsius. In the spring, the average is 21 degrees Celsius. Greece was located on the Balkan Peninsula in South Europe. The Ionian Sea on the west separates Greece and Italy. The Aegean Sea on the east side separates Greece and Asia. The Mediterranean Sea separates Greece from Asia. A long time ago, other civilizations depended on a river. Greece did not. The Greek people built their city on the shoreline because that was the main water source. They lived in a mountain range, 80% mountains, and deep valleys and rugged terrain. The mountains divided the people up and kept them separate.
Now I hope that you'll understand a little bit more about Greek geography.